Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Go Kinetic business app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Go Kinetic business is an account management app designed for Kinetic business customers to manage their internet, voice, and networking services more efficiently. The app allows business users to view and pay bills, monitor service status, manage support tickets, and access real-time outage information. It's available on both iOS and Android and serves as a centralized hub for handling business connectivity needs. The app's main feature is its service management dashboard. You can check your account activity, track open orders, review billing history, and receive instant notifications about service interruptions or updates. It also provides quick access to support resources, making it easier for businesses to resolve technical issues or request assistance. The interface is built to save time by consolidating all essential service information in one place. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its convenience, simple layout, and the ability to manage multiple business services through a single app. The real-time service alerts and easy bill pay features are particularly valued, helping businesses stay ahead of service issues. The app also reduces the need to call customer support by giving users immediate access to account tools. However, there are some drawbacks. Certain features may be limited depending on the user's service type or region, and some businesses report occasional glitches or delays in loading account information. The app also relies heavily on accurate back-end updates, so any delays in system data can affect the user experience. Additionally, it may not support more advanced commercial features required by larger enterprises. In summary, the Go Kinetic business app may be worth using if you want a centralized, time-saving way to manage your Kinetic business services, track service status, and handle billing on the go. However, if your business requires advanced enterprise-level tools or you experience inconsistent app performance, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.